everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel tonight, and I am so glad that you took the time to join me tonight. I have another really quick unboxing. This is going to be really fast because I already have this bag and I've shared it with you once before, but this one is in a different color because I love the first one so much. um, I had to get it in a different color. And to be honest with you, the second color that I originally wanted, I didn't get. And I'll tell you why. Because I was online about to submit my order, and then I was going through my Rolodex of all the different color handbags that I currently have, and the color that I was going to get, I have something similar to it already. So I said, well, you know what? Let me just go completely out of my box and try something totally different. I don't have this color at all. So I liked it online, so I'm just praying that I like it in person. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what it looks like in this color. Okay, and let's turn it this way. I don't know why all of a sudden now, the last box that I received, my order receipt was laying on top, just under this flap. That doesn't make sense, but anyway, so let's see. What I am sharing with you tonight is I'm just looking at how it's wrapped. Hope this is not a new bag. But let's go ahead and take that. Okay, so what I have is another small Russel in pebble green. I'm just looking at how this is packed. Nope, this is not new. At least I don't know. I don't think. Oh boy, let's check this out. I don't know. Just from the way it's packaged, it doesn't look new. Let me open it up. Yeah, all this extra tape here. But sometimes I get fooled, and I think it's used, and then when I actually look at it, sometimes it's hard for me to tell. Okay, so it doesn't look, but it does look like it's broken in. Let's take this out. And then the key keeper is still wrapped. See that? And now when I look on the inside, take a look at that. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. And even the little sticker that's always on the inside zip pocket, that doesn't look like it's ever been removed. So, Yeah, but I just don't like the way this is filling. It's way too pliable to be a brand new bag. Mm-mm. Yeah, this is, I don't know. But overall, it is, of course I love the bag because this is the second one that I ordered. And the color is pretty. I do like it, but now I kind of wish I had went with the original color that I had wanted for the second time around. But this is it. And again, I just wanted to come on really quick to share this with you. And I did a unboxing on this bag in the color black a few weeks ago. And what I'll do, I'll link it up here somewhere so that you can take a look at that to get all the details on this bag. But this is it. This is the medium. Nope. This is the small Russel in the pebble grain leather, and yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one though, because I just don't know. But this is it. And if I do keep it, oh, how much fun I'm gonna have finding accessories to go along with this one. Yeah. Okay, everyone, so that's all I have for tonight. Again, I told you this was going to be a really quick video because I've already did a detailed review on this bag. And again, I'll link that to this video for you. So with that, everyone, as always, I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye-bye.